Hi everyone, this is your Ipsy Morgan, and I'm joined here by my helper, Olaf. Okay, my helper's name is Olaf. Olaf, there are people that are kind of sick right now, and let's say that you're out and about and you have to sneeze, but you don't have tissue. What do you do? Oh, achoo! What do you call that?
Vampire sneeze.
A vampire sneeze. Does it work if you have to cough too? Oh, good job. And do we shake hands right now?
No,
Elbows, awesome. Oh, you can also do feet. All right,
What
good
about
job.
What about sneeze?
What about sneeze? Yeah, let's do a sneeze.
Achoo!
Achoo. Yeah, your vampire sneeze, awesome. Well, stay tuned for more safety tips from me and my helper, Olaf.